Hello students, this is a preview of lesson 1.20.2, American English Lessons with Maestro Sersea. Today we will work on your English listening and reading comprehension via 3 of our conversation topics for English learners activities. So, for the first part, watch the video, read the text below, and translate the text in your primary language using the translator. For the second part, we do the same thing. You watch the video, you read the text below, and then you translate the text into your primary language and read it in your primary language. And for part 3, you watch the video, you read the text in English, and then you translate the text using the translator and read it in your language. Finally, leave us a comment below. Let us know what you learned, how you feel about what you learned, and then write your name, your email, and post comment. Thank you very much for working hard. This is a very important lesson because it builds your listening comprehension skills and reading comprehension skills as well. Thank you.